Bioconcentration is a real thing. It is a very real concern when it comes to the meats that we are eating. But by choosing organic, by choosing pasture-raised, and by choosing grass-fed options as much as possible, you're not only going to be giving your body better quality food, you're going to be giving it less to detoxify, but you're also going to be supporting sustainable farming practices. You're going to be helping out as far as the quality of the soil that farmers are using. And again, you're going to be reducing your exposure to all kinds of terrible crap. And you're going to be getting a lot more delicious and nutritious foods. So if you are worried about breaking your bank when it comes to eating fully organic, just start with pasture-raised organic meats as often as you can. As long as you can do that, you're going to be improving how your body is feeling significantly. From there, that's when you can start involving some more cruciferous veggies. And if your finances change, if you end up being able to do this, you can start changing those veggies to organic as well. And finally, not everybody's going to be able to do this, but if you have the means to go hunting, if you know someone who goes hunting, you're going to be even better off that way. That is like some of the best meat that you can physically get, just completely untouched by all the horrible things that we do to our food supply. And as a little bit of a step up on that, unlike just buying food at the grocery store, if you can't go hunting, if you don't know someone who goes hunting, try to find a local farmer. I promise it's worthwhile. Hey guys, if you got some value out of that question, please share it to someone else who needs to hear it. And I'm talking to you right now. If you want to ask your own question, you can go direct message me on Instagram at AndrewPFM. You can go toss a comment on YouTube, on TikTok at AndrewPFM as well, or my business Instagram at Pride Fitness and Movement. Yeah, hope to see you guys there. Later.